लोग क्या है, we don't want to give 1 hour dedicated time to ourselves. Dedicated means कुछ भी हो गया, मेरा कुछ भी फैमिली में हो गया, I care a damn. I care for myself. Why? I want to love myself. Only when I can love myself, I can love you. Only when I love myself, I can love my child. Only when I love myself, I can love my parents. Only when I love myself, I can love and share that love with whoever in the world. Am I right or no? So, unless we love ourselves, we cannot damn love the other. So, this 1 hour is very dedicatedly loving myself. I meditate, yes. I write down I read my visions, focusing on what I want. Right now we did an exercise, list down all your complaints. Yes, you have listed down. You have caught your pattern. Very good. 20% काम किया. Second, उसको allow करो, accept करो naturally. वो है, हमारे अंदर है, तो it is, we are accepting it. Third part of it is what? Allow, accept and antidote. Write down what you want. What you want, you write it down. That we don't do. Why? Because we are either we are lazy, or there are n amount of reasons, we will look into it later. But we don't want to do what we want, we don't put energy. What we don't want, we are putting energy. जो आपने लिखा है, that is what we want or what we don't want. We don't want, we are putting energy. Am I right or no? That is what, if you putting energy on what you don't want, brain is very very clear with what you don't want right now. तो हमारा जो बीच थॉट फीलिंग का साइकिल जो चल रहा है, द थॉट फीलिंग साइकिल इज नथिंग बट what we want or what we don't want? What we don't want. You have to catch it. Now, this was not required thousands of years back. This Liya 1 hour was not required. Why? Thousands of years back. Because people would send their children to the Guru for 12 years. Yes or no?
Yes.
And 12 years the Guru would monitor. रोज सुबह get up at 4 o'clock, जपा करो 4 to 5 संध्या काल में, 5 to 6 ये में, 6 to 7 ये में, 7 to 8 में, पूरा सुबह से लेकर रात तक there was a whole schedule for everyone. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो कल्चर अपने आप आता था. Today, internet world, everyone feels they are free, which is fine. You feel you are free. You want to get the same what all our ancient rishis want in the modern time, then you must be disciplined or not disciplined. If you want what they got with the Guru, you want it without anyone, you have to be number one. First principle is you have to be consistent. And consistent on not others, not on cricket and music and everything and exercise. You have to be consistent to yourself. What you want to do, you write it down and you execute it to what you want to do. You want to exercise? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, write it down. You want to play music or dance or anything like that which connects with your heart? Yes or no?
Yes.
Write it down. You want to plan and do your work, or you want to go without planning? Plan. Write it down. You want to meditate for your mind, or you don't want to meditate? You want to, write it down. If you don't want to, don't write. You want to read every day and something inspirational? Yes or no?
Yes.
Write it down. Then who is to check you? Who is to check you? Who is to check you? You got to check yourself. This is the Liya 1 hour practice. It is just a system which we have created, and once you write down third, which you will do in a few minutes, then after the third step is, after you write down what you want, what you do? You get your picture. Get your picture right, not in the mind. Not in the mind. It has to be Physical picture. Physical picture, then you can have it in your mind consistently. So हर चीज जो है, third step you put this, fourth step feelings लाना है. Okay, सिर्फ पिक्चर डालना नहीं, you have to get the feeling. कभी आता है, कभी नहीं आता है. At least आप You start with it. It over the period of time, एक दिन में नहीं होता है. मीराबाई को कृष्णा एक दिन में नहीं मिला. It took many years of her sadhana to get and experience Krishna. Tukaram did not get Vithala immediately. It took lots of years for him to get the Vithala. Yes or no? Mahavir or even Buddha did not get enlightenment. For 6 years, he was the most sincere student ever. And he dropped after that. Then he got it. So first we have to be disciplined. Then we go and you repeat this. Now let's say sometimes we don't get a picture. We don't get a picture. Okay. Then you put, I can say mine. I put Guruji's picture. He's taking care. Ideally you put the picture which you want. But when you don't have, you put your Guru's photo in case you have. In case you don't have, some photo of someone who you are very connected with, his or her photo. So I put Guruji's photo, he takes care. And then later on, I will put whosoever the ideal photo, like money or whatever, relationship, his photo. I don't have. Now, there are some people who are sending me emails. I don't know them. I only know them by name. I don't know their face. So what do? Guruji is there. He's taking care. Are you getting the point? So earlier in our ancient age, they would, right today also they say, okay, अरे भगवान का नाम लीजिए, भगवान का नाम लीजिए. कोई बोलते हरे राम हरे कृष्णा, कोई बोलते राधे कृष्णा, कोई बोलता है विठला. ऐसा हम सुनते हैं. Am I right or no? Say loudly yes or no? Yes. That means what? नाम नहीं लीजिए. You put the picture of your deity, Ishta Devta in your mind. He will take care. If you have a guru, master who you have surrendered to, I am fortunate, you put the masters, he will take care. If you don't have, then put any photo, but put some photo. Why?
Just speaks.
No, that karma is coming out. No vibration karma is there. This photo, when you put inside, is a proof to the body, evidence to the body that this person has caught his pattern. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Otherwise, body doesn't know. Like so many people I ask, I don't have negativity. I said, not possible, Baba. Not negativity, then you should not be sitting here. You should be somewhere in the Himalayas and millions of people should be with you. If you don't have any negativity, low vibration, not possible. Then you are already a Siddha Purush. You will start manifesting things in your life. आप हाथ में करेंगे कुछ भी निकल जाएगा. If you don't have, that means what is happening with that person who says I don't have? There are two things which can happen. What is happening with him? Either he is lying, he doesn't want to see himself truthfully, or he is simply not aware कि ऐसा भी है. उन्होंने, lot of people, we put masks in ourselves. We mask ourselves. We don't want to see ourselves straight in the eye. Am I right or no? Yes. Then you put this kavacha and say, I am okay, I am okay. And later on we suffer, the body suffers. Then we wonder. That is what happened with Anita Murjani. She was a very good person, beautiful person. She herself says, I was so good, whole society would love me. Why? I am pleasing every single person. जिसके भी जन्मदिन है या जिसका भी है, I am pleasing everyone but myself. Finally, she landed up in cancer, but of course, She has served the humanity. She has come out of the cancer without any medicine, and today she is serving the whole of society. So this is called inner engineering or self sadhana or atma gyan. So do we need to be consistent? Yes or no? Yes. All right. The Liya Vanar is one system.